Let's put together our genuine e-bike. You're going to start by cutting the zip ties and opening up the box. Remove all the packaging and bubble wrap and locate this box full of your parts. From there, you can remove the bike, cut more zip ties, remove more bubble wrap, and then you can get started on the handlebars. Install the handlebars, and then you can flip the bike over to get started on the front wheel. Push the axle through, and then you're going to wrench it down, and then it's ready to roll. From there, you're going to want to put the pedals on. Install the left on the left and the right on the right. There's stickers to tell you which side. Then you're going to want to flip the bike back over to start on the front fender and headlight. Push that through and line that up. And then you're going to want to connect the supports for the fender and then plug in the headlight wire, and that's it. It's pretty easy to put together, it doesn't take long, and then you're ready to ride.